Hi, I'm Katja with Woodland Direct. Today we're going to review the Amantii Symmetry Extra Tall built-in electric fireplace. The Symmetry Extra Tall comes in 7 linear sizes including 34, 42, 50, 60, 74, 88, and 100-inch widths. Today we'll be looking at the 60-inch size. With each Amantii Symmetry Extra Tall built-in electric fireplace, you'll receive a finished trim kit, ice media, a thermostatic remote control, and an installation manual. The Amantii Symmetry Extra Tall features a versatile zero-clearance design that's approved for both indoor and outdoor installations. Its large glass viewing area is taller than most linear electric fireplaces, and with no visible heat vents, it offers a clean-faced finish that complements contemporary spaces. The Symmetry comes standard with Amantii's new hyper-realistic flame pattern that mimics a real wood-burning fire. You can also enjoy traditional diffused flames by removing the included stencil. Amantii's state-of-the-art multicolored flames change from bright yellow to orange and red for unique burning display. Built-in ambient canopy lighting in 13 vibrant shades illuminates the media from above and allows you to tailor the look to any occasion. It's equipped with an energy-efficient 4800 BTU heater and can be operated with or without the heat. The 2-stage heater is located inside the top of the fireplace, enabling the heat to cascade down the front of the glass. Amantii's patented thermostatic remote control allows you to independently adjust the heat output, flame size, flame colors, and ambient canopy lighting from anywhere in the room. The Symmetry is also equipped with built-in touchpad controls for manual operation. A programmable thermostat and timer make it easy to set and keep your perfect room temperature. Amantii's Symmetry Extra Tall built-in electric fireplace is an excellent solution for customers who are looking for an easy and affordable way to add a fireplace to their home. Its slim design and standard sizing allows for hassle-free installation at any stage of a home renovation project. It's quick to set up and provides customizable ambience with its independently controlled flames, heat, and accent lighting. The Symmetry also doesn't produce any toxic fumes or emissions and is safe to install in areas outside of your main living space, like bedrooms, bathrooms, screened-in porches, and covered patios. Here at Woodland Direct, we love the Symmetry Extra Tall built-in electric fireplace for its sharp, seamless design and color-shifting flames that can be enjoyed year-round with or without the heat. We also love that you can install the Symmetry inside or outside your home at any stage of your project without worrying about venting or gas lines. And there you have it, a complete rundown of the Amantii Symmetry Extra Tall built-in electric fireplace. If you have any questions about this fireplace or any of our other products, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or look us up online at woodlanddirect.com. Thanks, and we'll see you again next time.